This is the Infinix Xpad and it has Full HD Plus with 90Hz refresh rate and IPS LCD kaya naman may enjoy mo for browsing and watching movies dahil malinaw yung screen nito. May 2 speakers on both side kaya naman sure na malakas yung sound na mapoprovide niya. At ang maganda dito, pwede kang mag-multitasking. It also comes with Helio G994G chipset, 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM kaya naman okay din for gaming. Nag-test ako ng iba't ibang games para makita nyo yung performance.
Down.
Sa main and selfie camera, both 8MP and ito yung mga shots. Sa video, 1440p yung max resolution. Not bad na for its price at dahil tablet to, hindi sila gaano nag-focus sa cam. 7,000 mAh yung battery, consider good na for daily use. Pero syempre, it depends pa din kung maglalaro ka or magbabrowse ka lang. Lastly, Pollax AI supported to na integrated with ChatGPT, which means meron kang advanced voice assistants na developed by Infinix.
Hey Pollax, what is the meaning of CGI?
It stands for Common Gateway Interface. It's a standard way for web servers to interact with external programs, like scripts, to generate dynamic content for websites.
So if interested ka, click the yellow basket.